fastest racer cannot go through it and not be touched by it. And if he decides to stay a little longer, he becomes soaked in it, so much so that he drips the same water that he has been under. Dear believer, why are we so much in a haste, yet when it rains we desire the coolness and the freshness it brings? We don't intend to get wet, but we enjoy the sounds and the drops that flows from it. Oh, how we want a glimpse of it and miss out of its fullness. This experience requires an atmosphere of firm believers that will stay until the bed rivers. Like Elijah, he understood that there is a sound more than melody nor symphonies, harmonies and sweet tunes cannot pay the dues. It is for men that will mount up to the top and cast themselves down upon the earth. These ones will put their faces between their knees until the heavenlies attend to their yearnings. Men that has carried a kind of posture in the realm of the spirit, and when they speak, go and look. It may appear there is nothing, but go. Even if you have to go 7 times over, there is a sound. Behold, a little cloud out of the sea. See the heavens, black with clouds and winds. It is the abundance of rain. Get wet. See that the rain doesn't stop you. Get drenched. It is a great rain. Get soaked. Stay that your garments gathers enough waters, for the altars that will matter in the end times are those that will tarry until the hand of the Lord is seen upon a matter. There is a sound, and it is rain. Its aim is to see that we don't remain in the same and live unchanged. I hear the sound. The clouds are heavy and teary. The rain comes. Will our hearts be aligned? Have we taken a posture that will allow God future in this dispensation? Now is the time. Stay stationed. Pay attention. Let your heart await the awakening of the one who is about to release this rain upon us. Jesus is his name. So let him reign, for we are the remnant. Let it rain.